This magnificent book was published for the 100th anniversary of the birth of its author, the outstanding scientist Fuad Hasanovich Valeev. In the chapters of the monograph, the author reveals the origins and development of the tradition of artistic weaving and carpet making, embroidery and gold embroidery, leather mosaic, jewelry, stone carving, home decoration, and house wood carving. In-depth analysis is based on extensive materials of scientific expeditions carried out by the scientific in the 1950s and 1970s in the village of the Volga-Ural region, collections of the Russian museums, and written sources. The results and conclusions of the study are supported by the data of archaeological and ethnographic research, a comparative analysis of the creativity of ethnic groups of Tatar and Turkish and Muslim peoples close to them. The publication is richly illustrated with authors' photographs and drawings, reconstructions, and tables.